welcome to the vlog, I guess. Good morning if it's morning when you're watching this. Good afternoon if it's the afternoon. You know what I mean? But wow, my voice sounds like it's literally gone right now. I don't know why. I mean, maybe because I didn't get like that much sleep. I was just like, I feel like I have a lot to do today. It's a Saturday, but like I kind of work every day, to be honest, especially during Vlogmas. And I was like, I don't care if it's a weekend, Gretchen, you're getting up, you're getting after it. And it's probably like 8:30 right now. I'm so happy I got up early and I did a little spinny on my bike. I did a little soul class with Sydney, so good, love her. And then I was like, wow, I should be filming this. So I just filmed my little stretch you guys saw, and I feel so much better when I stretch. And after I am like all warmed up, like after like a cardio, like spin workout or something, because I took a day off yesterday. And I don't know about you guys, but whenever I take a day off, I feel so stiff the next day. I mean, just in mornings in general, when I wake up, I feel really stiff. My whole body feels like, and I feel like I can barely like touch my toes and like get into downward dog. It's crazy because I'm very flexible, but like when I wake up in the morning, I'm just so stiff. My lower back always hurts. Like when I put on my shoes to walk Brody, I can't like bend over to like tie my sneakers. Max is like, okay, something is like wrong. But I like barely talk about this, but I have a herniated disc in my back, and I know it's like very common. I feel like probably a lot of you watching probably do, but it happened like my freshman year of college because of rowing, and I kind of just have to deal with it. And I'm thinking of the word mitigate isn't the word I'm looking for, is it? Just sort of like decrease the probability that it will bother me. And so I have to just be like proactive in staying active and moving my body, because I always feel better. And if I take like a week off or something, I'll feel like really just stiff. My back will hurt. I swear, you guys, something has been like tweaked in my back, my lower back, since like I took a week off, probably around Thanksgiving. I was just like, whatever, I'm like taking a week off, and my lower back has been like bothering me so much. So if I stay like consistent and active, it helps. If I'm too active and doing too much movement, too much, and it bothers it. So it's like I need to find my happy medium. I remember my doctor saying that to me long ago. He's like, we need to end the like 3 hours of working out every day. It's too much. But he's like, if you sit there and do nothing, it will also bother you. So like happy medium, work out most days, not too much, not too little. So yeah, that's why I do that. Thought I would talk about that in case any of you deal with similar things or injuries. Right now, I got a shower, clearly, and I have a lot of cleaning I want to get to this morning. I've like been loving having a cleaning day on the weekend. That probably sounds so weird, but like there's no better feeling than having like a really clean home and like a candle lit, and the floors are clean, and you have the vacuum marks and the rugs, and like the bed's made all nice. You know what I mean? I just feel like as I grow up, I'm really into that. And so Max and I had a big cleaning day, well, I think it was a week ago, last Saturday. And so I want to do it again because it was fun. And like, I feel like most people do cleaning on Sunday. I guess that's a good day too, but we're just gonna do it today. I'm so excited, and we'll see what else I'm up to today. Oh my goodness. What do we have here? Are you a little sleepy today, Brody man? Did all of our cleaning tire you out? Oh my God. Okay, you guys, we did a lot of cleaning. I know that was probably like a short montage because I just did a lot of vacuuming. Max did some mopping. We did the countertops, got this all straightened up. Did you help? No, you've just been sleepy, like they saw. Hello, hello. Oh, that's kind of messy. But overall pretty good. Got the bed all together. You know what, you guys? We finally got the tape off the wall, and I started over here, if you could tell, and I just ripped it off really quick. And hang on, why is this out of focus? I was like, oh, guess we gotta be careful, because it literally ripped off the paint, and it still did in a couple other spots. Kind of missed the tape being up there now, because it looked like something was going on instead of nothing. It's so empty. I still need to get our frames for photos like ASAP, but I just haven't found the perfect ones yet. So still a work in progress, but we're looking good. Feeling good, having a clean place. Like pretty tidy, right? Oh, ran into Brody's crate. Could be worse. Are you bringing a toy? All ready for the day. Where's the good lighting? I don't know. Just did a little something something, and I think next up for Saturday, little errands, chores, things I have on my list to do, wrapping presents. We're gonna wrap presents. Alright, you guys, it is the next day and I'm finally wrapping packages. I'm the worst. Yesterday I was like, oh my gosh, yeah, now we're gonna wrap packages. Wait, packages, presents. Am I okay? I was like, yeah, now we're gonna go wrap presents. And then I didn't, and I showed you my salad and then me eating cinnamon rolls. So I'm happy that I'm a day behind on Vlogmas so that I can do this right now because I need to do it. To be honest, I think the reason I didn't is because I get stressed out about wrapping presents. I'm not good at it. It takes me a while, and my ones in the past have been so bad, but I learned the hard way last year that wrapping on your bed is so hard because it's all like uneven and squishy. So I'm being proactive and wrapping on the countertop because I feel like that will be better this year. And also, it's okay that these, you can probably see what this says on here because this will go up after Max and I do Christmas. We're doing Christmas early this year, just the two of us, since we're not gonna be together on actual Christmas. So yeah, let's get wrapping. I'm stressed. First one was done. You probably saw what it was. I would say this gets like a 4 out of 10. Not perfect, but definitely better than last year. I think I did too much wrapping, like too much folded on each side. So I think I'll try to do less for the next one. All right. I still feel like I use too much wrapping paper. Fail. Like on the ends, when it's too much, I think I'm learning that's when it doesn't like look the best. Max is so much better at wrapping presents than me. Oh my gosh, you can literally see what this says through the paper. LOL. Gosh, that just took so long. This might have been the worst thing I ever wrapped. You guys, I messed up and I didn't cut it big enough, and I thought it would close all the way, but it didn't, so I had to add more. This looks horrendous. I am like the world's worst package wrapper. Why do I keep calling them packages? Well, they are packages, but like presents, you know what I mean? Oh my goodness, this is just freaking embarrassing. Are you guys as bad as me as wrapping presents or what? Because this is so bad. Ooh, this one's heavy. Okay, these look like I try to wrap them bad on purpose. You guys, look at this sleepy dog. Is that, you're like laying on the towels that we clean you up with, and he comes in and his paws are all wet, but I guess I'll just end off the vlog here, you guys. There's like a lot of cleaning, present wrapping, everything like that. Who else is literally the worst present wrapper ever? Like, it looks like I tried to do it bad on purpose, and I try so hard, and I'm like really focused on like this one's gonna be good, and then it's not, and then I'm like maybe this one will be better than the last one, and then it's not. So time for GLB spills the tea. One of you asked, am I sad about missing the Nutcracker this year? And oh my goodness, yes. I am so sad. Obviously, like everything in person is canceled, so like I get it. It's not like I'm like upset about it. Like I totally get it in the time that we're living in. But yeah, I'm just sad that I don't get to go. I wonder if we could like, I bet we could find a Nutcracker play or movie or video or something somewhere on the internet, on the interweb, on TV. So maybe I would try to do that and like watch it somehow like that. But if you guys know me well, you would know I've been going to the Nutcracker every December since like my freshman year of college when I was little too. So it's just so special to me. And if you guys remember, I would always go with like my, well, freshman year was like my new college friends or like my roommates and like Taylor and Lucy. And I remember every year being like, wow, I hope I have a boyfriend one day that will like go to the Nutcracker with me. I was manifesting it. And then senior year, I just started dating Max and we got to go together and it was like my dream come true. I'd be like, next year I'm gonna go with a boy. And then like sophomore year, I'd be like, okay, next year I'm gonna go with a boy. And then junior year, I'd be like, okay, maybe next year. And I finally did. So yeah, I don't know, it's just like so fun. We both love dressing up and getting to do like a fun fancy date once in a while, because obviously it's like different than normal. Normally we're in sweatshirt and ponytails and sweatpants and like eating pizza. So it's just like fun. So I definitely missed that this year. And I'm feeling like I didn't do a question of the day in this vlog, which if I didn't, I'll just like put it in the description, not in the description box, I'll put it in the comment section because I already know what I want to do. Well, I guess I can just say it then because I'm thinking of the one that I wish I did, but I don't know if I said it. So I guess I can just do question of the day way out of order and do it at the end here too. Question of the day, you guys, I'll put it in the comments in case you don't watch till the end right here. If any of you are still with me, love ya. And I want to know if any of you eat weird food combinations together. Did I say this in this vlog? I don't think so. I think I'm just having deja vu because I like am saying it in my head. But if any of you eat weird food combinations together, I really want to know, because if you saw my story the other day, Max puts syrup on his mac and cheese and I thought it was so weird, and I got like literally hundreds of responses on my Instagram of you guys being like, oh my gosh, you're literally dating Buddy the Elf. Like, he is Buddy the Elf. So it was really funny because I'm like, wait, he literally is Buddy the Elf. And I was just thinking of like, if you eat weird food combinations together. I remember in high school, I would always eat carrots and hummus, and then I'd put, this is so weird, but it's because I brought like lunch, like snacks to school, like in high school. I would bring carrots and hummus and like a little baggie of blueberries to eat as a snack. But then one day I did my carrot and I dipped it in the hummus and I put the blueberry like stuck to the hummus, and I would eat the blueberry, carrot, and hummus all together, and it was so good, which is really weird. But if you guys eat weird things together, I want to know. So a lot of your DMs that people eat ketchup with mac and cheese, which I feel like some of my friends do. I think that's a lot more normal than syrup. But if you do like the syrup and eggs, then Max and I were talking about syrup and eggs, because when Lucy and I were younger, my mom would always, like every Sunday, she would make us pancakes and eggs, and we put syrup all over the pancakes, would get onto the eggs, but you like kind of wanted it to get on the eggs because it would taste good on the eggs. And Max was like, oh yeah, like at Brown, he would always put syrup on his eggs. I guess he just put syrup on everything. So do you guys do that? I'm just curious. Sorry, this is way out of order. And sorry, this is the next day, not on top of my stuff. But I love you guys so much, and I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas so far. I can't believe it's almost over, and I hope you're bearing with me because obviously it's just like a crazy hectic time, and that's why I'm like no makeup, messy ponytail, finishing off the vlog the next day. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.